Here is a wonderful 2022 Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.